The average professional spends 31 hours per month in meetings. AI meeting assistants save 5 to 8 hours per month on notes and follow-ups alone. But which one is actually best? Otter and Firefly's tied at 96% accuracy. Fathom was close at 94%. DV had the best speaker identification. Crisp excelled at noisy environment transcription. Fathom produces the best meeting summaries, concise, accurate, and actionable. Otter summaries are detailed, but too long. Firefly's hits a good middle ground. Firefly's integrates with the most tools, CRM, project management, and Slack. Fathom is the most privacy-friendly. Otter has the best search across all meetings. Fathom wins for individuals. It's free, accurate, and produces the best summaries. Firefly's wins for teams with its superior integrations and shared workspace. Which meeting assistant do you use? Share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for the complete AI meeting productivity guide.